are you? Fine. Very good. So I am also fine. Today the date is 7th October 2020 and today the day is Wednesday. What is day today? Wednesday. So today our subject is Maths and day 40. In Maths today we will do a new concept. The concept of wide and narrow. Now all of you do like this. Show your two hands. Do like this. Say wide, narrow, wide, narrow. When we compare the two things, when we compare the width of two things, then we say this is wide and this is narrow. For example, I want to show you these two sheets. Okay? Can you see the width of this paper? Now, see the width of this paper. So, now do the comparison of the width of both the papers. This is wide and this is narrow. Wide मतलब चौड़ा, ठीक है? And this is narrow, जो चौड़ा नहीं होता है, जिसकी width कम होती है. Wide, narrow. Okay? Now, again look, wide, narrow. We do the comparison in width. Okay? Now, look here. Here, this is window. This is window. The length of the window is same, but can you see the width? The width of this window is bigger than this. इसका width ज़्यादा है ना? So width is more than this one. It means this is wide. This is wide in size, and this is narrow. This is narrow. This is wide, and this is narrow. Okay. Now see crayon. This is one crayon, and this is another crayon. Now we will do the comparison between these two crayons. Now again check the size. In height both are same. In height both are same, but in width, check the width. This is wide and this is narrow. Wide and narrow. Wide and this is narrow. Okay, now see these two boards. Tell me which one is wide? This one or this one? Which one? This one? Very good. Yes, this one is wide and this one is narrow. Wide, narrow. So I am also going to write down here wide and narrow. Fine. So related to this concept wide and narrow, we will do one activity. So all of you want to do one activity? Yes. For this activity we need watercolor and one A4 size sheet or your drawing book. You can do on A4 size sheet or you can do in your drawing book. Okay, let's start.
Students, look here. Can you see two rivers? So first I am going to do the outlining of these two rivers. First, look this one. Now, can you check the width of this river? Okay, now I am going to draw another one. Check this. Now, can you do the comparison between these two rivers? What is the difference? Anybody can guess what is the difference between these two rivers? Yes, one is wide and one is narrow. Now tell me, which one is wide? This one or this one? This one is wide. We have to check the width of the river. See, check. This is narrow and this is wide. Wide river, narrow river. So I am going to write here narrow and wide. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to do cotton dabbing in wide river. Which one is wide? This one. See, look here. This is cotton. I am going to take blue watercolor. So first I will dip the cotton in watercolor and you have to do in this way. What we call this activity? Cotton. This is cotton dabbing. Cotton dabbing. So in the wide river you have to do the cotton dabbing activity. Fine. In the narrow one you should not do anything, but in the wide one you have to do cotton dabbing activity. Understood? So in this way you have to complete the activity. Now I will show you the pages of your maths book that you have to done. Fine? Students, look carefully. This is your maths notebook, page number 21 that you have to do. The topic is wide and narrow. Take the wide thing in each set. First, look carefully. We can see two roads. So which one is wide? This one or this one? Yes, this one is wide. So in the given box you have to put a tick mark. Now do the comparison between these two rivers and then you have to find out which one is wide, and in the wide one you have to put the tick mark in the given box. Next is two windows. Now you can see here two windows. You have to do the comparison. You have to do the comparison between what? The width of the window. And then the wide one you have to put a tick mark. Understood? Now see the next page, page number 22. This is page number 22 of your maths book. Take the narrow thing in each set. Which one is narrow? This one. So you have to put a tick mark. Now again see these two rivers, but in this you have to put a tick mark in narrow one, like this. And last part you will do it by yourself. Fine. So complete these two pages, page number 21 and then page number 22. You have to complete it and try to do it by yourself. Okay. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.